Today we are reviewing the Paradise Gallery's 5-piece pacifier set for baby dolls, including the interactive pacifier with baby sounds, and also showing you which type of dolly mouths will take these pacifiers. Hi dolly friends, this is Kitty.
And I'm Totty.
And welcome to Little Wattle Nursery. Our channel is dedicated to our love of dolls, and we feature reborns, realistic dolls plus vintage dolls, so stick around and have some dolly fun. Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. For anyone new to our channel, we want to warmly welcome you and thank you for joining us. We purchased this 5-piece pacifier set from Paradise Galleries for $13.99 US, and we're going to show you which types of dolly mouths will take the pacifiers using a range of different dolls in our nursery. So let's start with the interactive pacifier, because let's face it, that's why everyone's buying this set. Now you'll need a doll that has a small mouth opening, and there's 15 different sounds, including crying, giggles, cooing, sucking, and saying little words like mama and dada. The pacifier actually needs activating. So this blue piece that you see on top of the pacifier, you just need to remove that. So here it is out of the box. It's really pretty. It's pink and blue with these sweet little flower design. Turning it over, this is the nib. So you're looking for a doll that's going to take this type of system. Now let's go through the sounds and then I'll show you which type of doll it's suitable for. Oh, that's so cute. Uh-oh. Oh. So here's Estella, and she's our magic baby, La Magique doll. She's from Spain, and she actually takes that stem nib. So let's give this a whirl now. Okay, so just removing it. You're looking for a doll that has this type of mouth opening. Obviously, the deeper would be better. This pacifier just sits nicely in her mouth, but it could be slightly firmer, but she doesn't have a deep enough mouth. So that's the type of mouth that you're looking for with your doll. In terms of a Paradise Galleries doll, we only actually have 2 of them. We've just started our journey with Paradise Galleries. So we have Sue Lynn and Baby May, and Sue Lynn can't take any pacifiers, but Baby May, look, she can sort of take this pacifier. She has this type of opening in her mouth. It's not really deep enough for it to sit in there securely, but I did actually manage to get it placed into her mouth. But I'm sure that there are other Paradise Galleries dolls available on the website that would take this pacifier. But that works quite well on her as well. It hasn't fallen out yet, but I had to be quite firm pushing it into her mouth. So moving down to the stem doll pacifier, that's this one here. Again, the same principle, it's this type of nib. And again, working well with dolls that have that small mouth opening, such as this one. And I also managed to get it into Baby May's mouth as well. I had to be quite firm, but that's the type of mouth opening. Now to the mini magnetic doll pacifier. Paradise Galleries recommends that it works well with their mini 12-inch dolls, and it works on dolls that already have a magnet placed inside their head. And that's what this one looks like. It's super cute. So it would work well with a doll, a very small doll in your nursery. So we're going to place this one on Chloe. She's our Ashton Drake mummy's girl. Oh, that's so sweet. She's our little tiny preemie doll in our nursery, so that size works very, very well on her. Next is the standard magnetic doll pacifier. Again, your doll will need to have a magnet already placed in its head, and this is the pacifier. It's really sweet. It's white with this little blue bird. And this is Bonnie. She is our Maddie Sculpt by Bonnie Brown, and she has a magnet inside of her, so we're just going to place that on her. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. And finally, the frosted tip. Now, it works well with some open mouth dolls. I actually found it quite tricky to try and find a doll in our nursery, but I did manage to find one. So I'll just pull it out. It looks like this. It has this frosted tip. And this pacifier fits beautifully with our little Noah from Ashton Drake Galleries. This actually fit the best out of all the dolls that we tried. So you're looking for, so that's very firm, so it's really good. You're looking for this type of mouth opening to be able to fit this nib in. So it works out to be $2.79 per pacifier, which is just awesome value, especially when it includes that gorgeous interactive pacifier with sounds. So we hope you have found this tutorial useful today about how to use the Paradise Galleries 5-piece pacifier set. As you can see, they are very versatile and can be used with many other dolls. You don't have to just have Paradise Galleries dolls. So thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to see more of our dolly content. And if we don't see you during the week, we'll see you on Sunday.
Bye bye.
Bye everyone.